Now we discuss the effect of increase in length of a conductor when it is stretched. New resistance of a conductor when it is stretched. Stretched. Let a wire having resistance R, length L, area of cross section A, and resistivity rho. Here we assume the wire remains same. We know that R is equal to rho L upon A. R is equal to rho L upon A. Now new length be L dash and new area A dash, new resistance R dash. When we take a wire and we stretch the wire, its area also decreases. The wire we have got initial and final have the same volume. This method is based on the volume of the wire initially equal to the volume after stretching. After stretching, initial volume is AL. After stretching, it becomes A dash L dash. Let new length became n times of initial length. The length is stretched by n times, increased by n times. N times length increases. N times length increases. AL is equal to A dash L dash. By putting the value, we get this value is NL because the length is increased by N times. A dash equal to A by N. When the length became N times, the area became 1 upon N times. Now we take a formula of new resistivity. R dash is equal to rho L dash upon A dash. This is the formula of new resistivity. Formula of new resistance. The resistivity remains same because it depends upon the nature of the material. It doesn't change the material, so the rho remains the same. By putting the value we get r dash is equal to rho, length is n times, area 1 upon n times, r dash is equal to rho n square L upon A, or it can be written as r dash is equal to n square rho L upon A. By equation 1 and 4, r dash is equal to n square r. This shows the resistance of the wire became n square times of the initial resistance. For example, if we stretch the wire by twice of its original length, then the resistance became 2 square is equal to 4 times.